1 year. Here. Your neck, how about your neck, your back?
It's
Anything?
okay. Anything okay, so,
Only your jaw.
yeah.
Open. Close. Open. Painful?
No, yeah.
The jaw clicking is like some symptoms of ADHD.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot remove that clicking.
Yeah.
It's like this.
So,
It's normal
normal?
as long as you don't have pain or numbness. It's okay.
It's okay.
But don't eat hard food because it's pagkaka-pressure.
Okay. So, it's
Okay.
normal, right?
And then don't do this
Oh. Okay.
because it's the clicking also
Mm-mm.
increase the clicking. So this one is that's we call jaw clicking or jaw popping.
Mm-hmm.
Popping sound. When you
Yes.
open wide, open, close. But when you open this like a little bit, no popping.
Mm.
Try it.
Mm.
Yeah. Open, little bit, open, little bit, open. Yeah. No
Yeah.
clicking here.
Just when I open, yeah.
Because of the particular this here.
Mm-hmm.
When you open wide, it's become misaligned. That's why you have a go up.
So now can fit just eat normal?
Don't eat hard food only.
Okay.
But this one is no need to adjust. Braces or splint it helps.
Mm-hmm.
No braces?
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I will go back in the night and put one and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
No need to adjust.